Welcome to another Fast Tech video. Before we start, please go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and click the bell next to the subscribe button if you want to get notifications. That lets YouTube know that we're doing the right thing. It costs you nothing and it helps us out a lot. So please go ahead and do that before we start this video. This video is brought to you by the Fast Tech Pro Auto Kit, which is an automatic screwdriver plus bit set that you need to disassemble any electronics device, including your Xbox, your PlayStation, your Apple iPhone, MacBook, you name it. Links in the description box, and you can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to factory reset any iPhone. In this video demonstration, I'm going to be resetting this iPhone 7, which is going to the other side of the world to my grandmother. And I definitely do not want her to be checking out my Instagram or my messages or anything that's on this phone. So I'm going to be resetting it, and I figured this is a good opportunity to show you guys how to do this if you don't know how to do this already. So it's very simple. All you got to do is go to settings. Then we're going to go to general. We're going to scroll all the way down. It says reset. I'm going to press reset. And now we're going to pick, depending on what you want to do. Now, if you only want to reset settings, there's an option for that. But we're resetting all content and settings. So I'm going to press that. And it says blah, 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 data to iCloud. There's nothing in here that I don't have backed up to my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I'm gonna press erase now, and now it's gonna ask me for my passcode. I'm gonna put that in, and once you put your passcode in, it's gonna ask you one more time, erase iPhone, and I'm gonna press yes. So on this screen, it's asking me for my Apple ID and password, and this is my iCloud account, and you need the password for this to be able to reset this successfully. So I'm gonna put in my Apple password in here. Move that away from the screen real quick. So now that I have my password in, I'm just gonna press erase. It's gonna do its thing. It's gonna connect to the server, make sure that the login info I entered is correct. That way, you know, no one else other than you can reset your iPhone. And guys, don't even ask me if there's a way to bypass iCloud, because if there is a way to do it, I don't know about it. So now it's gonna do its thing. You're gonna see a progress bar with the Apple logo. It's gonna do its thing. We're just gonna let it sit. This might take 5, 10, 15 minutes, maybe half an hour, depending on how much data you have on there. So we're gonna let it do its thing, and we'll come back when this progress bar is finished. Now that it's done, you're gonna see this screen. You're gonna see hello in a bunch of different languages. If you have a newer iPhone, you're gonna swipe up, but on this one, we're gonna press the home button. We're gonna select our language. We're gonna select our country, Canada. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone. So this setup questions. We're gonna set this up manually. I do want to, it's gonna ask for us for a Wi-Fi password, because I'm guessing it wants to activate. So I'm gonna do that. Press join. We wanna make sure it's good to go, and they don't wanna have to do any extra steps. So, unable to activate, because your activation server could not be reached. Try using Wi-Fi. Okay, let's try one more time. So it's trying to activate, and it does this because it wants to activate with Apple servers. It didn't go through the first time, so we're gonna try again. There you go. Went through. We're gonna press continue. We're gonna set Touch ID later. Don't use for now because it's not, we're probably gonna say not use a passcode because this is an elderly lady and I don't want her to get confused. So again, don't use passcode. Don't transfer. I don't think we should set up later in settings. So I'm not setting up iCloud on this. You know, maybe I should, in case it gets lost or stolen, but I guess that's something they can do that themselves, because then it's going to be paired to my ID. But anyways, this is the part where you want to choose to, if you want to choose to put in your iCloud account, you can, but I'm not doing that right now. We're just going to agree, continue, not now. I'd say enable, just so that they can use location services. Continue. I'm gonna set that up later because I don't want it paired to my voice. Not now. Set up later in settings. Don't share. Appearance, light. I want the lightest button. Display zoomed for sure. Again, it's for an elderly person, and boom, that's it. That's how you reset any iPhone, old or new. Thanks for watching another video from Fast Tech. Don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Press the bell next to the subscribe button if you want to get notifications, and check out my vlog channel in which I travel the world and I record my adventures. I promise you won't be disappointed. This is Shiroz from Fast Tech signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.